Welcome back. Today we're just gonna do some shopping, you know, because it's gonna be hard to find car parts nowadays. So we're gonna hopefully find some parts for this thing. Little Blue here, we gotta put get a battery for it and a brake booster. I have some other stuff I gotta do in town, so I gotta drop some packages off. So why don't you guys join me and we'll go ahead and do it. So let's go. Woo! Alrighty, first stop, Dutch Bros. Gotta have some hydration, or I don't know, Dutch Bros it is. Alright, we got some sustenance now. I think we're off to the post office. Alrighty, let's go ahead and try and get that booster now, shall we? Hopefully we can get it. Alright, I'm gonna go in there, check around, see if we can get a brake booster ordered, and just kind of go from there. So I'll be right back, y'all. Alrighty, we got it coming along. So he has to find it because it's kind of hard to find those boosters nowadays. So he's hopefully going to the supplier, going to the supplier, trying to check around. So he'll call me when it comes up. So we got that covered out of the way. He'll call me if he can find it. So yeah, let's go find a battery. Sidetrack, actually, we are returning these movies that are destined to return. So we're gonna drop them in there. Going into the abyss of the unknown. So, alright, now the battery. Let's go. Well, now let's see, try and get a battery, eh? Be right back. Sweet, we were able to get a battery, y'all. Oh yeah, we'll just put that in there. Safekeeping. And now, I think that is basically everything we need in town. So let's just head home, park the Jeep, and park the stuff that we grabbed. And then, if the door would shut. There we go. Okay, let's go home. Woo! Alrighty, thanks for joining me today. We went on an adventure in town, got our stuff. Now we have some more stuff to put on Little Blue. So yeah, thanks for watching. We have a playlist right here. I actually went and weighed this thing. So if you want to see how much this thing weighs, stay ready for next video basically. So Friday. So watch for Friday. You can have new videos. So subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you there. See you later. Whoop!